Did you know space is actually quite noisy? The answer might surprise you. Picture this. You're floating in the vast silent void of space. But guess what? Space isn't as quiet as you might think. Thanks to some clever tech, we've detected some bizarre and eerie sounds out there. Take for example the haunting whispers of Saturn's rings, or the unsettling hum from the black hole in Perseus. These are sounds we can't hear with our ears, but our instruments pick them up. And trust me, they're spine-chilling. Why does space make these sounds? Well, it's all about energy and vibrations. When these waves interact with our instruments, they get translated into sounds. Imagine the hum of a giant cosmic engine, far beyond our comprehension. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Space is full of mysteries, and its sounds are just one of them. Ready to explore the unknown? Stay curious.